Exercise 1. Pronunciation practice. Practice pronunciation with your teacher by reading the following words. Sound 1. Tip to produce this sound: relax your mouth and jaw, and put your tongue down.
Fun. I had a lot of fun with my friends last night.
Going to the beach is always fun.
Mud.
He got very dirty playing in the mud. The car's tires are spinning in the mud.
Love. A heart is a sign of love.
They're completely in love. Blood.
The doctor drew blood to do some tests.
He has blood on his face.
Vampires need to drink blood to survive.
Mother. She's a new mother.
She's going to be a mother soon. My mother uses many spices when she cooks.
I live with my father and mother.
Young.
She has a young child.
This place is popular with young people. Uncle.
My uncle is always very kind to me.
My uncle would often visit when I was a child.
My uncle got to know my aunt when they met at the beach.
Luck.
Gambling is largely a matter of luck.
It's bad luck that your car got destroyed by a tree.